guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you a very simple meal, shepherd's pie, a hearty dish with loads of flavor that will satisfy any appetite. So if you're as excited for this video as I am, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get the ball rolling on this episode of Mom, That's Yucky. To begin, you will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 onion chopped, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, a half teaspoon each of salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire, 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 cup of beef broth, a half a cup of frozen corn, 1 cup of frozen peas and carrots, 1.5 to 2 pounds of russet potatoes, 8 tablespoons of butter, 1/3 cup heavy cream, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 cup of Parmesan. Whew. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set a large pot with 4 quarts of water set to boil. Place 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Add in onions and saute until they're almost translucent. Add the ground beef and cook until browned and crumbled. Once your water is at a rolling boil, add in your potatoes to the pot. Sprinkle your thyme, rosemary, parsley, salt, and pepper, and then stir. Next, add your Worcestershire and garlic and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Sprinkle in the flour and stir until well incorporated. Add in the tomato paste and allow it to break down and really mix with everything else in the pan. Pour in your beef broth and your frozen vegetables. Saute until the vegetables have softened. Boil your potatoes until fork tender as shown here. Turn your heat off, drain them, and allow your potatoes to sit on the hot burner to allow any residual water to evaporate. Then mix in your butter, seasonings, and heavy cream until silky smooth. Pour your meat mixture into a 9x13 dish and smooth into an even layer. Do the same with your mashed potatoes right on top. Sprinkle the top with Parmesan cheese and then bake for about 25 to 30 minutes and let it cool for about 15 minutes before serving. And there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and savory meal. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any suggestions, I would love to hear them. If you want me to see me cook something, put it in the comments below. I'll be putting this recipe along with all of my other recipes up on my Facebook group page and on my Instagram. But until next time, guys, my name is Amanda Evans, and this has been Mom, That's Yucky. Bye, guys.